What's up, guys? Wes here. So today it is cold in Michigan, super cold. One of the first vlogs or reviews, whatever we want to call it. One of the first reviews here. So since I got my home, one of the first, one of the things I've been wanting to do is work on my Miata. I got a Miata like a month or two ago. I can't really remember, but anyway, so I've been like working in the garage a lot, or at least sometimes, partly on like this thing, my daily, the Elantra. But anywho, when I'm not working on that, I'm working on the Miata, and I really I don't have enough light in my garage, so I need to like fix that. So let's take a look at what I'm working with currently. So as you can kind of see here, like, you know, it's pretty dark, pretty dingy. You can see it's pretty dark in here. It's the Miata. It's down currently, needs an alternator, but you know, it's like salty on the roads now anyway, so I'm not about to be driving it, so it'll sit here for a little longer. But anyway, here's the star of the show. We have the Barrina, some lights from Barrina. These are some Amazon lights that I found. I've seen a few people use them. Didn't really see a lot of reviews on them, so wanted to drop a quick little review. So we'll see how this goes, and I'm also gonna install, but let me do a before of what my garage looked like beforehand. That's all the light I have, and I guess you really can't see how dark it is in here because it's kind of bright outside, but yeah, just trust me, it's really dark in here at nighttime, like when I'm trying to work on my car, because I do work. So yeah, anywho, let's go straight into the review. These Barrina lights that I'm trying to get, I'm looking at my phone here, they're these. I'll link them in the description. But anyway, they're supposed to be 5,000 lumens each. It's a 6-pack, and they're linkable shop lights. So, and they're supposed to come with like the mounting hardware for them. So as you see, it kind of comes with the mounting hardware, some little adapter things. Not really sure what these are for at this minute. These adapter things, it comes with adapter things. Not really sure what these are for quite yet, but whatever. But yeah, we'll see. I kind of opened this package already, so you'll have to bear with me a little bit. So these are the 8-foot lights. I'm obviously not 8 foot tall, so this is gonna be a challenge for me. I'll take one out in a second, and we'll kind of be able to look through it. First impressions are that it's packaged quite well, quite secure. You can see the connectors. I believe they're like T8s or something like that. Not really sure, but you can see the connectors here, where they can plug into the cords and stuff. So I'm gonna put these back down. Get this out of the way. Yeah. Also comes with like these cords. These cords comes with a bunch of these. I didn't count them ahead of time, but yeah. So these are the cords to like link the lights together, from like light to light. And the lights can also like plug into outlets, but I only have 2 outlets in the garage, so I'm not really gonna use that. What else? More outlet plug things. I also want to link these to a switch, so not really feasible. The interesting part is that they can also be hardwired in. Kind of as you can see, like this is an example of the the plug to be hardwired. Hope I don't have to extend these. It's looking kind of unlikely. As you see, I don't know. We'll have to see how this goes. Yeah, we'll have to see how this goes. But yeah. So as you can see, like, this isn't very long. I don't know. I have a wireless speaker here. You can tell, like, it's not that big, so kind of annoying, but it is what it is. Yeah, so I am going to, I'm gonna start installing these and we'll see how this goes. A little update. So pretty much so far I have one light mounted so far. Don't mind the jankiness. I am going to clean this up. Probably gonna put a junction box here in the future, but anywho, let's just admire that. We have one light put up. Now to put up the rest of them. So far you can kind of see that, you know, the lighting is starting to improve. So far I have 3 out of the 6. So I still have 3 more lights to put up, but I'm kind of running out of daylight and I have to cut the breaker again because this thing, the little screws on this lamp holder are stripped. So since they're stripped, I'm pretty much just gonna have to break the lamp holder unless somebody else knows how to fix that. You know, drop it in the comments. I mean, I'll have broken it by then, but at least I'll know for next time. So yeah, I'm probably gonna call it a day right now. Probably gonna wrap up the video and then finish the review tomorrow. All right. So day 2 of the lighting install. Ran into some challenges yesterday, but should be good installing everything today. I know the lighting is bad outside. It's not bright anymore like it was yesterday. It's also much colder, so I'm going to be trying to move much faster with this. So hopefully we get some good results. So I guess I'll kind of talk about like the plan that I'm going into to try to fix this. Bear with me because I already cut off the power, but so I ran into an issue when looking at how I arranged these lights yesterday. So pretty much I have really good coverage of this part of the garage, like this middle section, but if I have the hood open on the car, then I have like a really bad shadow. So to combat this, I'm going to I'm gonna basically go off of this box here and arrange the lights in an I formation, kind of like how I have it along the ground here. Hopefully we'll have like a little something. So about to see how it works. Yeah, so I guess I should work some YouTube magic. Put the lights on, huge difference. So some of you may be saying, like, right here, this little section right here looks a little dark. That is honestly because I was being lazy. I didn't feel like running another electrical box to make this look better. So, I don't know. Maybe I'll get around to it. Maybe I won't. So yeah, as you can kind of see, like the whole area here, you know, we got a little showroom finish for the parts that have light, and in the work area that's covered and stuff, there's light as well, light directly over it, and I will come back and take care of these connections. I need to fix them, so I'm gonna get around to that if we can focus. Oh well, But yeah, you guys know what I'm talking about. So, yeah. Overall, there are a few things I can say about the install. I guess one thing that was kind of annoying was the length of the cable, the hardwire cable. I kind of showed it at the beginning of the video, but you know, I kind of found that almost unusable. I almost needed to extend those wires, but again, lazy, so I didn't. Maybe I'll get around to that. Maybe I won't. Let's see. Another thing that would have been nice, the connector to connect the light to light connectors, the linkable connectors. These linkable connectors, they're almost 4 foot in length. I mean, they're a pretty good size, but you know, again, that's just one of those things you'll have to plan around if you're gonna install these in the future. Yeah, I do think that if I had used, like I would have been good if I had used the actual ones that plug into outlets. Would have been fine. But yeah, the only gripe with this kit is just the length of the cords that are hardwired. Other than that, this kit's great. Lighting's good. Seems durable. The lights are not flimsy. The mounts are good. Pretty simple. So with that, you know, like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, just support the channel. Stick around. Should be more videos. Sometimes we'll do stuff like this. Sometimes I'll do, you know, stuff on my car. Maybe track days. We'll see. I don't know. Still trying to form it. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share, and follow me on Instagram if you want. That'll be in the description below. So with that, peace.